naman po.
Tao po.
Sir? Mananay.
Kay Mr. Darwin. May deliver lang.
Ano ito?
Yan po duman sir. Damit po kaya malaong.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burning tonight.
There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you were. You were more than a dream. I could reach out and touch you, girl. That was long ago. There are some things that I guess I never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo, Padaba. Una sa lahat, salamat kay God na nakaabot ka sa araw ka na edad at dawa por paano nagmamaray ang sa imong pagmati or minsan nadidipisilan ka nga ni sabi mo. Dahil na ako mahalawig ng drama. Sana masurpresa ta ka sa kuyang pasabog at mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Happy birthday, stay healthy, ingat pirmi, dahil huwag para inom, marahay ka na. Happy birthday again. I love you and miss you.
When I dream about you, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, here next to me forever. When I dream about you, girl, you never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love loving you. How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart and you?
Nabigla ako. Salamat na nahula sa inyo. Dahil ko expected na ibang araw din. Sa ibang message, i-PM ko na sa iyo.
And I guess I never know when you
Na-surprise po kayo, sir.
Iyo dahil mantiga sa akin. Wala pa dahil mantisad mo pa din nag-chat na.
Para ma-surprise ka na.
that's when everything's alright.
Kung mahal mo, i-ESD mo na yan.
Like a bathroom